All right. Bald Rock Heritage Preserves. How you guys doing today?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. All right. Bald Rock, South Carolina. Oh. Veteran Sherman Max. Do a little hill climbing, downhill, a little uphill. Whew. Whew. Rough surface. All right. A lot of graffiti. Whew. A lot of graffiti. Whew. Bald Rock. Tried this on my other Sherman that I have. It was the first model, and it could not handle the climb. It just cut right out on you. Now the Sherman Max, actually, awesome wheel, doing a great job. Whew. Did a little bit of a workout. Whew. Woo-hoo. Probably shouldn't have went through the dirt there. Whew. Oh, goodness. This is a rough little patch of rock. Whew. It's definitely not for the faint of heart. Whew. Sorry if the camera's getting jostled around a little bit. Oh, jeez. Ooh, I don't know how much farther I need to go. Ooh, shit. Ooh. It's one heck of a rock. Nice to see my pads, my PEX piping, doing a good job. Ooh. I'm going to put this pad back on. This PEX pipe at the bottom. Where did it come off at? It came off my top bar. Ooh. All right. All right. So, as far as I'm going there, I'm gonna try to go back up it. Lord Almighty. This is definitely a one heck of an incline. Bald Rock. Here we go. Going up. Whew. I am pushing all my weight to get this thing to go up the hill. Whew. Definitely a hell of a climb. I'm holding on the best I can to it with my heels. If I didn't have jump pads on it, I definitely want to get up this rock. Whew. Let's go up this way. See if I can handle it. Oh my goodness. It's doing a good job. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to get to the top. Oh my goodness. Talking about a ride. That's definitely. Oh, definitely. Rough on the calves. Ooh. Ooh, goodness. Let's go back up here at the top of the rock. Ooh. All right, it's Bald Rock for you.